Good afternoon, girls. Today we'll be discussing about some of the very important part of, variables of national income accounting. So today we'll take off, private income, then private sector income, personal income, and personal disposable income. So one by one. So what is meant by private income? So private income is defined as sum of the factor incomes earned by the household and private sector enterprises within the domestic uh, territory, boundary, and from abroad, plus current transfers, payment received by them from the government as well as from the rest of the world. So private income will include that part of domestic product accruing to the private sector. Private sector will include the household and private sector enterprises, and net factor income, earned from abroad, that will be received by household and private enterprises as well. Then current transfers, payments from the government, including interest of the public debt. And we can have one more, net transferred payments received from the rest of the world. So this is about the private income. So private income is the income earned by the private sector enterprises and households. Next, we will see the private sector income. So private sector income includes only the factor incomes earned by the private sector within the domestic territory. Within the domestic territory means it is a domestic concept. It does not include say net factor income from abroad and other transfer payment. It includes only the income by the private sector inside the domestic territory of the country. So next, let us see the personal income. So what is personal income? Personal income is some of the incomes actually received by the persons and household for their contributions to the production of goods and services. Here personal income will mean only the income earned by the household and persons, not by the private sector and all. So it is obtained by deducting the net savings of the private corporate enterprises and corporation tax from the private income. So this net savings of the private corporate enterprises is also known as undistributed profits. They are undistributed profits. So symbolically, personal income will be given by the private income minus undistributed profits minus corporation tax. So this undistributed profit is nothing but the net saving of the private corporate enterprises. So by deducting those savings of the private sector and corporation tax to be paid by the private sector, so we get the private income. So this is the private income. Then we'll go to the personal disposable income. So what is personal disposable income? So personal disposable income is the personal income less direct personal taxes and miscellaneous receipts of government administrative department. So it is that portion of personal income which is available by household for spending on consumption and saving. Aduna personal disposable income haibasi kaino hai kanda akoina yumda akoina paisa talaga yumda porebe income dudagi akoigi direct tax pithokraba, then atopa government department akoina pigedaba fee for providing the services by the government, the compulsory payment me ama moi du khaidokra kanda akoina ariamba senfam hadi akoina sinani mo sinaba yaraba saving to gabra natragana akoina consumption to gabra. So personal disposable income is nothing but the income available for us for consumption and saving. So aduna ahambada koina ngasa yengripsi private income haibama. Private income da leidurisi so private income da leidurisi kai kai no hai kanda income of household plus income of private sector ID private sector amada koi thabak suba yai natrega na government sector am thabak suba jai aduga leiba private income isi kaina kanda akoina mi oina akoina tangible income do, that is the private income. Aduna akoina talibe income si private sector talibe income si akoi isa ju phangani aduga private sector gi su phangani adu ani do pulla kanda we get the private income. Personal income haragana personal income haragana karino haiba kanda personal income haragadi akoina leidoisi personal income da akoina leidoisi kai kai no hai kanda only income of the household oirane have only income of the household, say income of the private sector yauroi income of private sector will be yauroi. So income of household say personal income oirane. Then personal disposable income have a lady personal disposable income samjha lagda disposable income. Personal disposable income haisna kaino have kanda akogi aduna personal disposable income har akoina leidurisi personal disposable income haragadi akoina sinamong sinabi araba whatever government ge tax pi ge daba government ge department sing da akoina pi ge daba akoi income tax obi the land tax obi whatever fee whatever koi registration to baka anda akoina government pi ba fee ge do adu loi khai do kanda akoina phangibi income do we call the personal disposable income. Aduna hari personal disposable income say we will get for say consumption plus saving. Aduna akoina sinaba yaba income akoina taliba paisa ida akoina sinaba yaba income haragadi akoina madu kana kari goge haba kanda personal disposable income. So aduna in my next video I will be showing how are these calculated. So calculation part I will be say showing in the next video. So just stay tuned. Thank you.